Senator Imee Marcos had an embarrassing moment in Isabela. She mistook the bed foams donated by her family's political rival, Vice President Leni Robredo, as the ones donated by her own office. It was all captured in this viral video. Because of this, the hashtag kay Leni and Imee became trending topics on Twitter. A day before Marcos visited Isabela, Robredo had been in the province getting updates on the ground and giving donations that included bed foams. Netizens may not be familiar with Isabela Governor Rodito Albano, but in the video, Albano is their hero.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.